If you want to add a photo to a contact on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the phone app. Of course we want to go to contacts in the bottom right corner and select the contact for which you want to add a photo. Tap on this pen icon in the top right corner and then press this button to add a picture. You can choose camera in order to immediately take a picture right now, or you can go to gallery in order to choose a photo from your gallery. So let's say I'm gonna choose a photo over here. Of course, we can adjust the photo, we can zoom in, zoom out, and so on. We can also rotate the photo if you want to, and then we can press choose at the bottom, save in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. And if you cannot add a photo to a contact because it looks like this, then it means that the contact is saved on a SIM card. So the contact should be saved or must be saved on anything else. So the device storage, Google account, or similar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!